Swazi MTN's Corporate Affairs Manager Mandla Luphondvo says their customers will not be charged for making free calls on Wednesday.
On Wednesday, Swazi MTN customers had a privilege of making free calls. After that, rumors that all customers who made free calls will be charged started to emerge. Hence, we spoke to the company's corporate affairs manager, Mandla Luphondvo, who assured their customers that they will not be charged for every free call they made.
It wasn't a mistake. What we're basically doing on Wednesday, we're trying to conduct tests, and in the process of conducting those tests, we needed to stall the charging system because the network is already running, and whatever changes that we're making on the network and whatever tests that we're making on the network, we can't shut down the network and say we want to conduct tests and therefore people will not have access to services. So it was therefore inevitable that in the process of doing those tests, we will experience a scenario where customers will be in a position to call without being charged. And in fact, those tests are actually in line with the Customer Delight program, which we started on a small scale last year. And at the outset of the program, what we're basically doing was to compensate customers who have had a bad experience on our network. That is, those are the small beginnings at which the initiative started at. But we want this year to scale it up to higher levels wherein we will just delight customers for no apparent reason.
Luphondvo says surprises like this one will soon be a norm because it is another way of thanking their customers for their loyal support. In areas where there are network problems, customers are advised to report to MTN headquarters. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Zodwa Dlamini with Smova Shongwe in Ezulwini.